Alright. Here, this is our 0 day in the shelter. 6 of us in the shelter. We got Camp. Crumbs! Hello, Crumbs. Hi. Alpine. Is it It's Ratatouille, right? Ratatouille. And Lily. Way, way over there. We've been in here for over 24 hours, waiting out the storm. So we're going to do a 20-mile day tomorrow. Alright, later. Let's hang her up. Good morning, everybody. I know you can't see me, but trying to get an early start this morning after taking a 0 in the shelter. And Priest Mountain, Priest Shelter. And it's day 123. It's like it's a little after 7 probably. It's foggy out, still dark. So my headlamp is dying. I had batteries in my hands at Walmart. I just didn't know if it was AA or AAA, but 20.5 is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna skip skip the next shelter and actually just go right to town. That way, if we're wet, we can just go right to town. And this is a town. Oops, sorry. I don't know. This is a. Maybe that's better. I don't know. This is a town that we were not going to go to. This is we're going to go to Glasgow, but because of the 0, we use food up. So now we're going to go into Buena Vista. Anyways, I'm going to hang it up. When it gets light out, I'll try to do another intro. Trying to get as much recording as I can, but I'm wearing gloves and the phone don't work. I take the glove off and my hand freezes, so just wanted to point the trail out and just say, hey, this is what the remnants of a hurricane freaking does to the trail. Just destroys all the vegetation and leaves so many branches all over the trail. And it's not the big ones that get you, it's the little ones that get you because you can't see them or whatever, and you just trip on them like those, and or they get caught up in your shoes. It's hard to explain, but so windy yesterday. The night before, actually. It's really, really windy. Alpine's ahead of me right now because I took the phone out, took my glove off and all that, but I just had to get a shot of it. It's really slowing us down. All these branches, and can't see the rocks, or they're just tripping over the branches. So I did basically 5.5 miles in 2.5 hours, trying to get roughly between 11 and 12 miles by noon. We started at 7, so trying to do 20.5 today. Get in, hopefully a warmer. Tomorrow is supposed to be pretty warm, I think. 70 or something, maybe sunny. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna hang her up right here and see if I can catch up to Alpine, which I probably won't be able to at this point, but I'll see him when he stops next. Alright, hang her up. I don't know which one of these are priest. Or if you even can see Priest from here, I don't know. But that's what we were stuck at. Top of Priest. 4,000 feet up. Just waiting out the storm. Alright, did 12 before noon today. Right on noon, and noon. It was a nooner. Noon, right on the dot, 12 miles. That's a first for me. Only 8.5 to the road. About 2 miles of downhill left. It's just brutal. Just freaking brutal. I can't even explain it. I don't know if that's a recent deadfall or is that... Oh my god. I might as well just take a rest. Okay, maybe not. So, it's just the trail is a disaster. Besides being wet, there's just so much garbage on it. It's from what looks like a freaking bomb hit the area. I know it was like super high wind where we were at, 4,000 feet up. Like it was just, it's like the freaking hurricane was here. Jeez. I already took an Advil today. My ankles started hurting about 3 miles ago. It's just so much contorting or whatever you want to call it today with because everything's wet and so much junk on the trail. My ankles are like, F you, Dave. See if you like it. But 2 miles of this downhill, this freaking garbage trail. Fell a couple of times yesterday, fell once today. It's still raining, by the way, and it's freaking cold. And of course, we gotta go uphill. I guess we'll hang her up here because I can't freaking go up that with the phone. So, alright. See you down at the road. Look forward to a shower. So, the unexpected zero, waiting out the storm, basically, in the shelter on top of Mount Priest. 6 of us in there, hunkered down. I'm going to have to go to Buena Vista, which is the road I'm coming down to here in just probably a few minutes. I was originally going to go just skip Buena Vista and go to Glasgow, but it's another 20-something miles away and I don't have enough food to get there. So we'll go to Buena Vista instead. It's a little smaller town. And I'll just skip Glasgow and go directly to Daleville. So Daleville will be my next destination, which I think it's, if I'm not mistaken, it's like, I don't know, 70 miles away still. So, alright, I'm going to hang her up because I need my trekking poles. Well, I'm just here at the Budget Inn. Walked over to Family Dollar and got my resupply. So there it is over there. That's most of it. It's a bunch of junk. I don't even know how it's gonna work, if it's gonna work, but we'll see. Got a Domino's pizza on the way. Should be here any moment. So doing laundry right now as well. And should be going back out tomorrow. So it's about 79 miles to Dalesville. So just gonna skip Glasgow and just go right to Dalesville. So probably end up carrying a day of extra food I don't normally ever carry, but we'll see. Just trying to get videos uploaded right now. Internet here is super slow, so I'm just using my phone, 5G or whatever it is in this town, LTE. So trying to get that done. There's still a lot for me to get done. I'm gonna probably try to make an order on Amazon, have it shipped to the Daleville post office as well. So it's like 20.5 miles today. So it got down to the road at like 4 something, like 4, just after 4. So 7 to 4, 20.5 miles. I had to take an Advil, but I could have made it without the Advil, but I just it's just, yeah, once you get into town, I just didn't want to be hurting in town either. So I'm wondering if the trail is going to be wrecked all the way to North Carolina from the hurricane. So I know it's not a hurricane on the trail because it was like a tropical depression or whatever, but it was like major wind and the trail was just a mess. So many trees down, so many branches down, so many limbs down, so many, just the trail was a mess. And I suspect it's probably going to be like that all the way up, but I guess we'll find out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this video uploaded, or ready to upload. So, and if you have any questions, let me know. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.